This is me doing movie sound effects. I'm going to make a lot of funny faces, so bear with me. You can just listen. The factory scene in Terminator, where the Terminator is chasing down Sarah Connor. A lightsaber being activated. Every creepy door in a horror movie. Hello? Jump scare. This is Terminator 2. He's got a damn minigun! This is every skateboard video game or movie. This is a helicopter in every movie. Fighter jet flying overhead. Every spaceship door in a movie. When R2-D2 is sad. This is a Mac 11 Uzi. This is every French police car passing a character in a movie. This is a TIE fighter from Star Wars. This is every walking giant robot. When there's an attack. This is gunfighting in the distance. RPG! The rock's falling down. As in the thing where Mac is trying to light the thing on fire. Get him, Mac! Get him! This is a F1 Formula car. Thanks, guys. Like and subscribe for more.